I need your opinion on this tea I have, and I don't really have a tea, I have a coffee, but listen to the story because that is where the tea is. So no hate to my family, but if you're coming from a Desi traditional family or an Indian family, you're going to relate to this story. Just before this start, I would just like to say I love my family. I know where they're coming from is not a bad place, but this has happened way too often, and I just want to know I'm not the only one. So I went to a wedding over this weekend, which was in my family. Now I'm a girl and I have a sister. I also have 10,000 cousins, which is like standard in every Desi family. Now we are equal number of girls and boys. Now tell me this, that are you also expected as a girl to perform in a wedding even though you don't know this person personally? As the kid who grew up extroverted and was the performer of the family, I'm kind of traumatized because every time someone would come to our house, my parents would make me dance for them, and that has led a pretty bad taste in my mouth. So I try not to overly do it for people anymore. I was expected to perform at the Sangeet and I was totally chill with it. I performed a dance routine, I practiced it with my sister, and I had no issue. But my flight got delayed for over 6 hours and I missed the haldi and then I missed the Sangeet. Now it's not my fault. Everyone in the family was informed that the flight has been delayed. My dad booked the flight, so he knew the flight was delayed. Now tell me why people are coming up to me and questioning my intentions and questioning that if I even wanted to do it multiple times. I've had multiple relatives come to me and express their distaste that they couldn't see me dance, they couldn't see me perform. And it's one thing when I apologize that I'm so sorry I couldn't make it to the Sangeet, my flight got delayed, I didn't land on time, because from the airport to this venue it's a 6-hour ride, and with the 6-hour delay I was a day late. So yeah, I couldn't make it to the function and I ended up not performing. Not my fault, right? I thought it was chill, but every single person who would come up to me and have a conversation with me at the wedding just wanted to talk about the dance, and then they would unprovoked tell me on the spot, let's say I'm eating something or let's say I'm just walking around on the spot unprovoked, ask me to start dancing like I'm some chamia. And listen, I get it that you're coming from a point of starting a conversation or knowing what happened, but why are you constantly questioning my intention from the beginning of the marriage to the end day? I became so sick to the point that at the reception when I was eating, I had one Jiju come up to me and say like, oh, it would have been really nice if you would have danced, but you could have danced at the reception, you could have danced at this and that. And it was so frustrating because I was having lunch and I literally had to put my plate down, look at him and say, did you invite me to this wedding to just dance? And he said, oh, no, that's not the case. I just want you to enjoy and everything. I'm like, okay, thank you, but I can't do anything. Like, stop making me feel bad that I couldn't dance for this wedding. And that didn't stop. I felt so bad that maybe I was a bit aggressive towards him. I went and told this to my mom that, hey, you know what? I think I spoke a bit harshly to him and I apologized immediately, but I would just like you to know. And now watch my mom turn this all around and tell me, you should have known better. He's older than you. How dare you talk to a man like this? And that made me think none of my male cousins were asked to dance. It was just me. It was expected out of me. So tell me, are all girls in every Indian family just expected to dance or be this placeholder or be this party person or be this sort of entertainment? The guys came before me, the guys were at the venue before me, none of them did any performance. They could have read a poem, sang a song, nothing. Not only did they not perform, it was expected that they're not going to perform, and this whole pressure of performing on me and my sister just made me hate the family more. And now because of this behavior, I'm going to show up to less and less events, and then you're going to ask me that, oh, why is there so much distance? Because there's so much expectation of unpaid labor and entertainment from an Indian girl you guys don't understand. Next time, just hire people.